và cũng không có mà không có của bác đúng là yeah cho của trong trong nó ta chỉ đi mình trái yeah mà mình cho xong she's just a little bit older than me.
A little older? Are you sure?
Yeah, just a little bit.
How old?
You about to judge us now.
Well, the New Year's celebration is a celebration of all ages, young and old. It's also a way for everyone to kind of get together to show off all their pretty clothes. So everyone comes every year wearing something new and different, and they always are looking their best.
Speaking of which, we have coming up next our fashion show. They'll be showcasing to us today how the Hmong clothing has evolved throughout the years, integrated within the American culture.
Let's give it up for the beautiful ladies and beautiful handsome gentlemen.
Go.